Hello, hope you all doing well. Today I will explain you.
What kind of insurance does a small business consultant need? To help you out, we've put together a small business insurance for consultants insurance fact pack. It'll give you an idea of the coverage available, and why you might need it. 1. Professional liability insurance for small business consultants, sometimes called errors and omissions insurance, or E&O, for short. Professional liability insurance is a must-have. That's because as a consultant, you're a professional. Which means you provide a service to your clients, using your expertise. Unfortunately, it also means you can be sued for negligence, sir. If you make a mistake, or leave something out, and it costs your client money, they could sue you. In fact, you can be sued for negligence even if you haven't made a mistake. 2. General liability insurance for small business consultants. General liability insurance covers claims against your business if someone gets hurt, or their property is damaged, and it's your fault. So this is coverage you need if you visit clients, or they visit you. Clients often want you to have it anyway. Because it means they're not the only ones left holding the bag if someone sues them over something related to you. And if you rent a room for a workshop, say, or a focus group meeting, the owner of the premises may insist you've got general liability coverage, too. General liability insurance acts as a reputation restorer, too. Say you're overheard making some not-so-nice remark about a client. It gets back to them and they sue you for personal injury. General liability insurance can get you a defense attorney, and can cover your legal fees, plus damages, if you're liable. 3. Business personal property insurance for small business consultants. You might want to add business personal property insurance, BPP, to your general liability cover.
Because whether you work from home, or have offices elsewhere, it protects all the movable stuff in your office. That includes your chair, desk, your stapler, even your potted plants. It also covers your mobile devices when you're out and about, which makes it particularly useful coverage for consultants, as much of your time is spent on site with clients. Not convinced you need BPP? Just think about it for a moment. Your cell and your laptop, they're pretty essential to running your business. And when they're out and about with you, there's much more of a risk they'll get broken, or stolen. Kind of tricky to run your business without a laptop or cell, isn't it? If you've got BPP coverage, it'll be business as usual. 4. Workers' compensation insurance for small business consultants. Even if you only have one person working for you, you need workers' compensation insurance. It's the law in most states. If you don't have it, you'll be fined. And as penalties can be severe, it's worth double-checking the workers' comp rules in your state. But there's a good reason for having it. And that's because the cost of workplace injuries to your staff can cripple your business. Workers' comp insurance covers medical bills, lost wages and legal costs. And no matter who's at fault, it can also protect you from a lawsuit. 5. Directors and offices insurance for small business consultants. Whether you're the leader of a public, private, or nonprofit organization, you can be sued for mismanagement. If they're unhappy with the way you're running things, employees, shareholders, partners and investors alike can, and do, hold businesses accountable. And you don't have to have a multi-million-dollar business for the directors and officers to be sued over mismanagement, either. In fact, it's the small firms with fewer assets who really need protection. Because their pockets aren't as deep. 6. Cyber liability insurance for small business consultants. Cyber risk insurance, data breach insurance, cyber liability insurance, they're all names for the same coverage. Coverage you should seriously think about getting. Why? Because as a consultant, you electronically store confidential personal data on your clients. You use email and you probably have a website too, which makes you a target for cybercriminals. Getting the right business consultant insurance plan. As a general rule, you need coverage for your business, your clients, any staff you have and the equipment you use to work. As for how much cover you need, it's safer to overestimate. Lawyers' fees, damages, court costs, they can end up going through the roof. If you're not sure how much to budget, first, check with legal counsel. Second, imagine the worst-case scenario. Finally, go for as much cover as you can realistically afford. It's worth it. Having the right insurance doesn't just keep you in business when things go wrong, it safeguards your assets, including your most important one, your reputation. But every consultancy business is different. And that means your insurance requirements are, too. So find a broker who gets this. And one who can customize your coverage to suit your exact needs. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will meet you in next video with some more interesting information. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel by pressing the bell icon. Thank you.